Hello guys, so recently I just read a very good Reddit post about Palantir and AI. Is AI advancement actually a threat to Palantir? So let's read and see what it talks about. So here, forgive me if this comes up as a stupid question that stems from an elementary knowledge of how the AI landscape is currently laid out. But I have a thought that maybe AI advancement and proliferation could become a threat to Palantir. Could it not be the case that whatever Palantir offers as a software solution, Palantir, Gotham, ARP, etc., could simply be replaced by some other AI software that can build its own version of this product for companies who leverage it? Am I misunderstanding that what this software system do? For example, what if there were some iteration of Chatgpt in the not too distant future that becomes so advanced that you could basically instruct it to design your customer solution that effectively does what Palantir offers? The way I understand it, a product like ARP allows a company to leverage LLM on his own public data while also allowing for guardrail and greater control over who can use it and what it can do with your data. Now, I'm not a software engineer or AI expert or everything. I'm just curious is what I'm suggesting is even a possible risk. Or is it the case that AI that is developed daily to coexist with Palantir developed in order to work properly? Please help me understand. Thank you. So now let's see what other people comment about it. Palantir will be the platform where AI is built. The more AI business, the more Palantir contract. So let's see if it's true. Okay, unfortunately no reply here. Alex Karp said they will be the leader in AI. Take that how you want. Okay, Palantir software advantage is being the structure that any of these other AI model can operate within. AI models are only as good as their data sources. Governments are cooking up regulation to protect data privacy and have regulatory guardrail with big corporation data sets. There is a lot of consumer information that will have data protection. Palantir has spent 20 years making software that can plug into data from all sources and take with grand protection on data access across massive organization with ability to audit access of the user. With AI, they will be able to threat the model like they already trace user down to the granular access control for what the model can access and audit which data is pulling the data from. Okay. The innovation and real challenge of AI is not the generation of this level. So if I'm offending some CVML stack overflow, it's the regulation control effort that is going to be the secret source. Palantir has made very clear on how much they care about this and to steam their own. Additionally, the data itself will be really to go. Palantir is not building the same castle. It's setting up the enclosure and providing the tool to shake is without ever having access to your playground. Further point from the OP, I don't think turning a blind eye is the right answer. Who knows how powerful the AI system will become? What I'm hearing you saying could an generative AI create what has taken Palantir humans 20 plus years. No one knows how AI is going to turn out. You just have to make educated guesses. Once AI take advantage, it may be completely different than other people expect. It may advance exponentially and we never seen in technology before. The time frame for advancements are about to get a lot shorter or appear as a good strategy now may be obsolete in 5 years. Okay, I think that's pretty good insight. First, it said that Palantir provides a platform for AI to be built, and second, Palantir focus on the tech parts. I think these two are very important information. So in the coming video, I will talk about what I think about the Palantir AI